This is Megan from Little Hot Tamale, and today we are going to make crepe paper rosettes with glitter tulle. This was a requested video, so I thought I would create it. Okay, so to get started, you will need crepe paper, a stapler. This is a tiny attacher, so the staples are actually smaller than a standard staple, and your favorite tool. My favorite tool has chunky glitter and ultra fine glitter. My other favorite is just ultra fine glitter, and you can find these at Walmart or Hobby Lobby or your favorite craft store. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm going to do this in real time. So you'll need probably about 1.5 feet for one rosette. That is slightly smaller than just a full rosette. You'll understand in a second. So you're just going to fold these in half, and then fold in half again and again, and then we're just going to trim off just a little bit. I like my rosettes slightly smaller. If you do a full one, it's usually about this big, and I prefer a smaller size, so about this size. And if you want to do it cut it completely in half, it's about this size. Alright, so you'll hold your crepe paper like this, and then you slightly fold it over. So everything's going to be folded in the center. Well, this will be the center. Right now it's at the top. And you just keep folding it, and then you make the end piece like open. You just keep folding it, and I like to flatten it out as I go. So you can see how everything is folded at the top. And this will be the center eventually. Now while I'm doing this, I'm switching from this to this. So my fingers are always on the back and the front. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a nice day. I'm having a nice day. I wish it was a little bit more sunny, but that's okay, maybe tomorrow. Alright, we're almost to the end. Okay, and then we're to the end, but I like to do a few extra ruffles. And then you cut it off parallel to the top. And then this is just a personal preference. I like to fold the end piece like a last ruffle. And then if there's some that are showing, just tuck that underneath. Okay? Stapler, and staple it in the middle. Now if it's just a little bit wonky right here, you can just trim it. Okay. Maybe just a little bit more. I usually don't do this, but it's a little off. Okay. And now we're going to take our glitter tool. If I'm using just the ultra fine glitter tool, I only do one. But if it's the chunky glitter, I like to double it. So I just fold it in half. Place it on top. Yes, and this size is also great when you need to fold your tool in half. It's the perfect size. Okay. Roll it a little bit more. Take your stapler, staple it again, and I'm just going to trim this off. Okay. Now, just flip it over. Take your scissors and cut around your rosette. Nice and slow. You don't want to cut your crepe paper. Alright, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so that is how you make a crepe paper rosette with a tulle. Now here are some examples using the crepe paper rosette. Here's a tag that I made for a swap. And I'm using my Catterday collection. And there's some sewn details. And then I also used a mini rosette. This is actually just the glitter tool, the ultra fine glitter. And it's a library pocket. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Toodles!